Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, or good day actually, it's the middle of the day for once. It's celebration time. Yay! I reached 1,000 subscribers, and when I say I, then of course it is we. It is the people that follow the channel, and yeah, thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for subscribing. It has been a lot of fun. I started 1 year ago, and yes, one video just took another, and it's a lot of fun. So, hooray, hooray, hooray! A lot of smileys on the page right here. A lot of hoorays, different colors. Yes, we are celebrating. I have prepared another tab. First, yeah, okay. First of all, let me show you my teddy bear, and again, thank you very much, all of you. I will not start mentioning names because then I will just forget. Forget all of you. But all of you who are writing comments regularly, thank you very much, and just thank you for watching. It's great to have an audience to make these Java videos for. It's a lot of fun, and it also keeps my skills assured. So I usually have to read up a little bit on each subject, even though I know a lot about the subjects already to begin with. And some subjects I don't know anything about, then I just read up on it, and then I start creating a video about it. So yes, the thank you tab, you can see it's blank, and that is simply because if I started mentioning names or saying thank you to someone, then I would just forget someone, and that is not good. So it's better just to keep this blank. Thank you very much, all of you. Regarding the future, a lot of you has been proposing subjects for videos, or maybe you are sitting with, maybe you're stuck with work where you have some kind of problem that you need to get solved, and you are actually good at proposing. You're good at proposing a lot of subjects and a lot of how if I could show you solutions to these problems. And thank you very much for that. And I've collected some of them here, and then other of them is just my own random thoughts. I've been asked about TCP and UDP communication. Could you please show something about that? Yes, it sounds like a great subject. Then I want to finish up with the JavaFX subject that I already started. I would like to make some more videos about that, so we can wrap up that subject. Then I have Tornado FX. I've only created a up and running and getting started video. I would like to get a bit deeper into the UI components. It's a lot like JavaFX. So when I'm done with JavaFX, I think it will be very easy also to or not easy, but it's not difficult at least to get into the Tornado FX components and controls, and then make some videos about that. Then I saw there was a guy who actually had a Go project he was converting to Kotlin, and then I asked myself, I've never actually looked into Go, so why not try to read up on that and then create some cool videos about that. Then there was a guy asking me, what if I have a Spring Boot application with 7 SFTP sites, how can I configure that? My plan was to respond on that video. And then we have Spring Security roles stored in a database. I've only showed when it's stored in memory. We could go a bit deeper with that. Then there was some person a long time ago actually who asked me if I could make some more videos about regular expressions and XML and XSD. And yes, of course, it is a very interesting subject also. A lot of people think that the XML is old and it's not as fine as the other data formats, but I still like XML. It's very we can express whatever we want to with XML and XSD, and I really like the data format. Then there's JPA. It's a big area, a huge area, and it's very difficult also usually if you have. Especially when you have many-to-many relations or one-to-many relations or many-to-one relation, all those things, all of the things regarding relations especially are very difficult with JPA. So I'd like to create some videos about that. Then I was asked about ActiveMQ, if I could make a video about that. Yes, I need to look into that. Actually, I've never used it, to be honest. Then we have MySQL. I would like to create a MySQL versus Postgres database video, because I actually, spoiler alert, I actually prefer Postgres for many reasons, and I would like to dig into why. I have nothing against MySQL, kinda. It's a good and fast database also, but there are just some things where I would actually prefer Postgres, the Postgres database, but that's my own opinion. I would like to make a video and stating why I prefer Postgres instead of MySQL. If we are talking about relational database, of course, I actually prefer NoSQL databases. They are very easy to code up against. So I'd like to dig into some more advanced MongoDB queries. There's also one person who asked me, how can I update just a subpart of my document? And of course, the quick answer is you actually can't. You need to update the whole document when you are updating a part of the document. But I would like to create some more videos about MongoDB. It's a very interesting subject. Spring Boot and RabbitMQ. It's also something I've been creating a lot of videos about. I really like RabbitMQ. It's a very good messaging system, very efficient, and it's very fast, and it's very easy to configure a lot of weird stuff. So I'd like to make more videos about that. And by the way, the reason why I have a flag, it's not because I'm nationalistic or anything. It's just that is the way that we celebrate stuff here in Denmark. We usually use flags and wave those. I think that's it's kind of generic, isn't it? In all countries, you usually wave your flag when you want to celebrate something. It is not to show that there's no symbolic or anything in that. Just so we got that clear. And then we have the Spring Boot and Redis. I really like Redis. It's a very fast key value store. So I'd like to make some more videos about that. Then we have something about sessions. Session can be client side, it can be server side, and I've not created any videos about sessions at all. Also how we store the cookie sessions in the header. I would like to dig into that. It's a very interesting subject when you are creating a full stack application with both UI and a backend. Then it's a very interesting subject. React.js and Kata. I set up React.js and Spring Boot. I've set it up in a couple of videos, both with Maven and also Gradle. I would like to do the same with Kata, just with Gradle. Then I want to look into .NET because there are some support in IntelliJ for .NET, and I would actually like to dig into what that is, and how well is the .NET actually supported, and how easy or difficult is it, and then share the experiences as videos. And then I was asked by another viewer, could you please show me how to create a Jackson custom deserializer or serializer? And I would also like to create at least one video about that. It's a very interesting subject. At least in general, the data formats. I think the data formats in general are very interesting, right? Prototype, JSON, JSON, XML. I think comma-separated files, but that is actually the data formats. There's something very interesting about that. I can't put more words on it than that. But I really like data formats. So that's actually it. I just want to say thank you very much, and hooray, hooray, hooray! Celebration! I got the 1,000 subscribers. A target for the next 1,000 subscribers, I have no idea, and actually I'm pretty happy with the interest and the attention that I have right now. So I don't have a target for when I'm up at 2,000 subscribers at all. It's just I'll just continue creating videos as long as I think it's fun. And another thing, now that we're up at the 1,000 subscribers, then you will actually be blessed with targeted ads also, because I've ticked off that in YouTube. So it would as I've seen other YouTubers, actually I've seen their numbers, they need to get up at around like 100,000 subscribers or something like that before they really can get something that just resembles an earning or normal a paycheck from it. So it's not but let's see. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening. Bye bye.